Hello, good morning from Sydney. This is Jack from the Roofing Professionals on a nice sunny spring day in Sydney. And we've had a long bout of rain and we're now just about to get stuck into fixing some leaks on some roofs. And this particular roof sprung a leak. There's a hot water system that's just been decommissioned this morning so we can do the repair. There's a leak coming in from this back section of the house, an old Kliplok style roof. If we pan down, a bit of rust, tiles not all that great, and the leak was coming in right where the tiles join the metal Kliplok roof, and it's been patched up before. You can see all the old patches. We did come in and put a temporary fix during the rain, and now we're going to do it properly. So we're going to go take all the tiles off and put in a proper tile flashing to cover all these defective areas. So in this video we'll just go through the steps in how this is going to be done. Hope you like it. Okay, so what we're going to do is take all this section of tiles out so that we can put a tile flashing in here. So what we do is we take the second row of tiles out. It's a broken one. Side. Okay, so with one row out, we're going to start putting the second row in. Okay, this is what we mean by putting in a tile flashing or transition flashing. So the tiles have come off and now we've put in the first section of the transition flashing. And the idea is that we've got a defective pan in here on the roof sheeting because it's been rusted. This is quite a good pan, so the idea is that we span from there over the good pan onto the next pan again, so that these two pans never ever get any water in them. So we virtually waterproof this edge of the roof, and that means it doesn't matter about the rust on the edge of the roof then. So that's the first bit of transition flashing put in. So we kind of to get it prepared for the next section, so forget to put the plastic off. Okay, here we are. This is the second half of the flashing, and the reason we do it in halves is because doing it in one long length is simply just too hard to handle, too flimsy, and doing it two halves allow you to do joints and the intersections a bit easier. So that's why we're doing it in two halves rather than one full length. So tile flashing goes in about there, and now we've got to get it underneath the valley, so kind of have to lift this valley up so we can get the tile flashing underneath there. I'm gonna square this off. there. Alright, there we are. So get rid of the plastic. So now that's all done, what we're going to do now is come in here, seal this joint and secure this flashing on the roof and put the tiles back, and this waterproofs this half the roof. And what we'll do then is we'll start from this corner and continue that way just to finish off the transition flashing on the other edge of the roof. So we'll see you when we get back.